We're getting in breaking news that an FIR has been registered against 6 members of the Hindu Yuva Vahini after allegedly killing a man over the role that he played in helping a Hindu girl elope. Members of the Hindu Yuva Vahini allegedly killed the man over the role that he played, and the victim allegedly helped his nephew in running away with the woman. The family of the man claims that the group of Yuva Vahini supporters barged into their house and accused the man of inciting love jihad. The victim, Ghulam Ahmed, was beaten brutally with lathis till he succumbed to his injuries. The killing has led to communal fault lines only widening in the area, with senior police officials having rushed to the spot. So that's the news that we're just getting in right now. The FIR that has already been registered against 6 members of the Hindu Yuva Vahini. This after they were accused of beating a man to pulp, beating him till he succumbed to injuries. They have accused him of helping a couple of eloping. We are awaiting more details, but right now the police are immediately reaching to the spot. They're trying their best to get the situation under control. It's not the first time really that the Yuva Vahini has been, causing trouble, all in the name of ensuring law in the area. We are awaiting for more details, but obviously the family there in a state of shock. Shiv Pujan Jha joins us for more on this. Shiv Pujan, just quickly give us more details. The FIR that has been registered.
FIR has been registered, no arrest made so far. Some people have been identified, but the police, they are not divulging much. But then some basic questions remain. One is that when this initial case was registered by the family of the girl who apparently eloped with a boy of the other community, why was the police quiet at that point in time? This is one basic question that is presently being asked. Even the district administration kept quiet on the whole matter, and after that it boiled down to a major political kind of thing. And then some people, they came, they took away a person who happened to be the uncle of the so-called accused. He was beaten with dandas and he died.
Very tragic news coming in there right now. Akhilesh Pratap Singh of the Congress is also joining us for more on this. Mr. Akhilesh, good morning. We're getting, news of this tragic killing, how these people beat up this man, accusing him of helping a couple eloping. Your reactions on this bit of news?
जो यूपी की सरकार नई बनी है
जी
भाजपा की, वो दिल्ली की सरकार की तरफ से सिर्फ बातें कर रही है। कल ही बोला कि संगठन और पार्टी के लोग, जिम्मेदार लोग, कानून हाथ में न लें। और पिछले 40 दिनों से जब से सरकार बनी है, तब से यही बोला जा रहा है। इसके पहले जो कट्टर और हिंसक कदम उठाए थे सत्ता में समर्थक दलों के नेताओं के द्वारा, चाहे वो ममता बनर्जी का सर मांगने वाला हो, जो आगरे का वो लीडर हो, चाहे एसएसपी के घर पे सांसद का दबाव चढ़ाई करना हो, ये अनेकों घटनाएं, अगर उसमें निष्पक्ष कार्रवाई प्रदेश की सरकार कर दी होती तो आज इन लोगों के हौसले इतने नहीं बढ़े होते कि किसी एक बेगुनाह को पीट के मार देते।
जी, आपको लगता है कि इनको पॉलिटिकल प्रोटेक्शन मिल रही है, इन टैसिट सपोर्ट है एक किसी पार्टी से या कोई जो सीनियर मंत्री है गवर्नमेंट में?
निश्चित रूप से अगर सरकार इस तरह के करने वालों पे सम और निष्पक्ष भाव से कार्रवाई कर दी होती, सख्त कार्रवाई कर दी होती, तो ऐसे लोगों के हौसले नहीं बढ़ते। कार्रवाई नहीं हो रही है, सरकार का समर्थन मिला है। आगरे का एक अधिकारी बोलता है कि मुझको डिप्टी सीएम सबका छूट मिला है, मैं ये कर दूंगा। एक लड़का बीजेपी का पदाधिकारी, वो ममता बनर्जी सीएम का सर 11 लाख रुपए का मांगता है। एक सांसद एक एसएसपी के घर पे चढ़ जाते हैं। तो अगर आप निष्पक्ष भाव से कार्रवाई करेंगे तो दूसरे लोगों में सरकार का, कानून का खौफ आएगा। वो नहीं कर रही, इसीलिए ऐसे लोगों का मनोबल बढ़ रहा है और ये घटनाएं हो रही हैं।
राइट. Mr. Akhilesh Pratap Singh, thank you so much for joining us. Shiv Pujan, can you just tell us a little bit more about the incident? This man who we are seeing on our screens right now, lynched to death by a mob. He was accused of aiding, of helping a couple from different faiths to elope. You just said that no arrests have been made. So what really are the police doing now? Shiv Pujan, can you hear me? Okay, we'll just go back to Shiv Pujan in a bit.
पता पड़ेगी क्या हुआ, क्या बात नहीं हुआ, क्या है।
Let me try and establish contact with India Today's Shiv Pujan Jha. Let's just once again try if he can hear me. Shiv Pujan, can you hear me? Okay, so this is the news that we have just received a short while back about an FIR that has been registered against 6 people. Some reactions coming in there before we go back to our correspondent. Let's listen in.
उठा के उन्होंने मारा है।
किसने मारा?
युवा वाहिनी वाले लोग थे।
युवा वाहिनी वाले लोगों ने मारा है? कौन लोग थे?
नाम नहीं पता, युवा वाहिनी वाले थे।